In this video, you'll discover how to use APA in-text citations with Scribbr, 7th edition. I'll guide you on what to include, how to incorporate it in your sentence, and handling multiple authors or missing details. The in-text citation always includes the author's last name and the publication year, regardless of the source type. When citing a specific part of a source, add a locator. Books typically use page numbers, videos use timestamps, and web pages may use paragraph numbers or headings. Include the page number only for direct quotes. To ensure accurate and uniform in-text citations, try Scribbr's free citation generator. Just click, paste, and you're done. You can smoothly add the in-text citation to your sentence by using either a parenthetical or narrative citation. For parenthetical citations, simply place the author's name and publication year within parentheses. Usually, they appear at the sentence's end, right before the period. For narrative citations, the author's name flows naturally within the sentence. Place the publication year right after the author's name, as shown in this example. When your source has several authors, include a maximum of 2 authors in the in-text citation. If there are more, use et al., meaning, and others. For a source with 2 authors, use an ampersand between them, followed by the year. In this case, it's Smith ampersand Johnson, 2023. When your source has 3 or more authors, use the first author's last name and add et al., followed by the publication year. If your institution follows the APA 6th edition, there are slight differences. What if your source lacks essential details? Let's explore that situation. If the author is unknown but you're aware of the organization that created the content, in this example World Education Foundation, use the organization's name. If you don't have either, then rely on the title. When using the title, format it consistently with the reference list either in italics or enclosed in double quotation marks, and use title case capitalization. If the title is lengthy, it's abbreviated in the in-text citation. You may encounter sources lacking a publication year. In such instances, use ND for no date. If you're quoting a specific section, but your source lacks page numbers, include an alternative locator like a timestamp, chapter, or paragraph number. We've gone through the fundamentals of in-text citations and addressed some typical exceptions. There are a few additional scenarios, like when you're citing works from 2 authors who share the same last name or multiple works from one author in the same year. In such cases, the in-text citation might become unclear. That's it for today's tutorial on using APA in-text citations with Scribbr. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our helpful content. Thanks for watching.